Drink your milk. Drink it. Matthew just started daycare this week. He went to school for the first time this week. He's been drinking out of sippy cups. Drink it. Whoops. No, you do it. You drink it. And his whole class drinks out of cups, so we're learning. Good job. Yay. Try again. Try again. Drink your milk. We're learning. Yay. A lot of it ends up in your shirt, but that's okay. Just drink your milk. Try again. No, don't play in it. Drink it. You get so proud of yourself. You can clap. Drink it though, okay? Drink your milk. No, don't play in it. Try again. Try again. Oh, careful. Oh, goodness. Too much? That was too much, huh? No, don't pour it out, though. Just, you gotta try again. That was too much, huh? There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Is it all gone? Is it all gone? No, no, don't throw it on the floor. I'll take it. Thank you, baby. Did you eat your lunch? Your dinner, I mean? Are you all done?
Done.
Done? All done? Say, all done. Do you want a bath? Is that your sign for bath? You like bath time, huh? Can you show me your teeth? Where's your teeth? Your teeth? Where's your tongue? No, your tongue. Where's your tongue? There it is. Where are your ears? Where's your ear? There's your ear. Where's your nose? Hey, where's your nose? Point to it. Don't breathe. Breathe. Here, point to your nose. Where's your nose? Where's your eye? That's right. That's the first time you've ever pointed to it. That's good. Where's your eye? Show me your eye. Where's your eye? Huh? Can you smile? Show me your teeth. Say cheese. Cheese. Can you say cheese? Cheese. Where are the fish? Where's your fish? There they are. The fish? Fish? Can you say fish? I'm looking at the fish aquarium. The fish. Fish. Okay, you want a bath? Say bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Okay, well, we got a bath. Can you blow me a kiss? Oh, so sweet. Okay, bye-bye. Yay.
Da.
Bye-bye.